In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mass send customized emails in Outlook. If you've ever needed to reach a lot of people without putting everyone on a giant chain, Outlook's Mail Merge in the web app is a simple way to send individual, personalized copies of the same message. Each recipient gets their own email, and no one sees anyone else's address. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type Outlook and click the official Outlook website to open the web version. If you're prompted to sign in, do that now so you land in your inbox. Once you're in, click New Mail in the upper left corner to start a fresh message. Add a clear subject line right away. Keeping it specific helps recipients understand why you're reaching out. In the message body, write your content in a friendly, concise way. Because Mail Merge sends individual copies, you can comfortably use a personal greeting like, "Hi there," or reference shared context without worrying about exposing other recipients. Now look toward the Send button in the Compose window. You'll see a small drop-down arrow or chevron next to Send. Click that arrow to open additional sending options. From the menu that appears, choose Start Mail Merge. This switches your Compose window into Mail Merge mode, which is designed to handle multiple recipients while sending separate emails to each. With Mail Merge enabled, you can enter multiple recipient email addresses, paste them in or type them out, separating each address as Outlook suggests. Double-check spelling and domains to avoid bounces. If you're working from a list, it can help to paste it into a plain text editor first to remove odd formatting before pasting into Outlook. Take a quick moment to proofread your subject and message. Because each person will receive their own copy, think about tone and clarity, short paragraphs, a clear call to action, and accessible links. If you're sending to many people, it's also wise to keep your message compliant with your organization's policies and respect recipients' preferences. When everything looks good, click Send Mail Merge. Outlook will queue and send separate messages to each address you provided. You can monitor progress in your Sent Items folder and confirm that the emails were delivered individually. If you don't see the option in your account, make sure you're using the web version of Outlook and that your organization allows Mail Merge features. That's it. An efficient, professional way to reach many people with a single, clean workflow while keeping each message personal and private.